Welcome to another video from Digital Landscapes. Now, we know that sometimes there are things in SketchUp that are utterly infuriating, and one of those things is when you download what you think is the perfect model from the warehouse, only to discover that all of the edges are visible and it completely ruins the aesthetics of what you're trying to create. So I've got an example here of some rocks. Download it straight into my model and you'll see what I mean. So the method you probably know about is to double click into this group and this group, get the eraser tool up and tap shift, and you'll see that the icon has changed into one with an eyelash, and we can just drag over and hide these. That, however, is completely untenable for a project like this. Imagine we've got hundreds of rocks. So I double click into this group and triple click to select everything. I could have pressed Command A. Right click, and I'm going to go to select and then deselect faces. That now leaves the line selected, and I can hold down Command or Control on a PC and tap E, which is the shortcut for hide. I'll just undo that. So select them all, select, deselect faces. I could also right click. I need to make sure I right click on a line and go to hide. The other method is double click into here. Actually no, first of all, the other method is I'm going to turn on the wireframe mode. So that's the third mode on the little buttons at the top, or I can go to view and it's face style and wireframe. So this takes away the face and essentially makes objects transparent. So if I double click into here, I will hold down Command or Control and A to select all. You'll see there's no face selected. Again, I go hide, get out of that group, and then when I put the regular mode back on, you'll see that those edges are hidden. So that's two super easy ways to hide infuriating edges, and the slow way with the eraser tool if you only have a couple to hide. Let us know how you get on, leave us a comment, like and share the video.